What's up and welcome back everybody. I am glad that you keep putting up my videos. And in this one, since I can't have one of those perfect YouTube videos, I almost spilled paint all over the piece. Go ahead and check the timestamp if you want to view that disaster. So Apex keeps pulling me back in every season. I'd be so much more productive if I didn't have consoles just begging for my free time. Anyways, this is a quick face shot of the new legend for season 7. Horizon. She's got this awesome floppy red hair, and that is 100% why I needed to give this a shot. They always have the coolest character design, so I probably need to do more of them, to be honest. And if you play Apex, go ahead and let me know who you main below. I've been playing since the first week, so I kind of play everyone equally as bad. It just doesn't get any better. Anyway, like normal for this video, I'm sticking to just 3 colors. Phthalo Blue, Pyro Scarlet Red, and New Gambos. All of them are Daniel Smith watercolors, and my $2 soap plate from Goodwill that I eventually need to wash off. I just can't be bothered. I now know also that I need to set one camera only as the palette camera. I'm not sure this 2-angle view is really working, but the top-down camera does need the focus locked on it. Go ahead and feel free to complain about that. I was complaining myself as well, so it's all good. Finally, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit me up on Twitter or Instagram if you have any questions, or drop that elusive 20 bomb. Really can't help with either of those, but it's fun for me to pretend like I could. I'm gonna go ahead and fade away now. Hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, and I'll be back at it a lot sooner than last time. All right, take care.